Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Cross Street Classics. We're back here with a very exciting update on our 92 Sonoma GT project. Last video we talked about the front bumper, did some work on that. As you can see here, we got it painted, got the cladding all done on the front. Everything's done, got our fog lights in, and really happy how that came out considering how bad it was. So we took some time to get it tweaked, but Blake and I we got her taken care of. So real happy with this. Got our grill painted, got our grill in. Got some new LED headlights here. Wanted to give a little better lighting. Show you guys what we got. They're a 6000K bulb, and we put matching fog light bulbs in there too. So pretty happy with that. But today's project here, guys. So also here too, we got the ground effects on the cab, get them done. Yeah, that's all done. And we got the back bumper here. The back bumper's probably just as bad, if not worse, than the front bumper. We actually have some cracks. We're gonna have to get that welded once we get this beat back into shape as things. They backed in everything they could. It's aluminum, so it's not gonna hold up very well. Over here we got the rear cladding. Here's the pieces on the bed in the front. Gotta get them scuffed up. These are the back pieces here, and the back bumper, gotta get this scuffed up. These are ready to put a coat of high build on, do some sanding on. And then we got the bed here, guys. The bed was a mini project in itself. This thing, if you remember the bed we had on this truck, it was basically beyond repair. Found a nice southern bed for it, and it was super solid, but man, it did have some dents in it. I think they must have sideswiped everything they could. This panel on both sides was caved in pretty bad, but we beat it out and got it looking better here. So got our wiring in, and then you can see we got sprayed a couple coats of Raptor liner here on the inside. Did it in black. Real happy with that. And then underneath here, we did the tinted white Raptor liner that gives it a nice look underneath. We did the cab like that too, so I wanted it to match. And then we did the wheel wells in the black. From the factory, they had like a black, like an asphalt undercoating on them, kind of sprayed on. We just kind of cleaned it up a little bit, sprayed that on there just to black out the wheel wells. So we're gonna get this here off the rotisserie and get this bed on the lift. And we have the truck on the dollies there. Blake gave me a hand here. He had to run out for a little bit. We got this on the dolly, so we're gonna get this up on here, back the truck under it, and get this bed on tonight. This is it's a pretty exciting night here at the garage. So we'll be back. All right, guys, so we got our bed off the rotisserie, got up on the lift here, got all set up, and we're gonna start getting the truck rolled back into place. We sag it on our wheel dolly casters here, just so we can jock it around side to side if we need to. A little easier that way. I think we're gonna let it down a little bit. We gotta clear the fuel tank. Fill it back over there. Close this gap up a little bit. Okay guys, it's sitting down there. Have to get up on a lift and get it moved around. Get our holes lined up. right, guys, that's a success. We're gonna get this up on the lift and get everything set up here, and we'll be back. All right, guys, so we got the bed all fastened down here. Blake got all bolted off for me, and he messed around with a couple other things there. We got the fuel filler door on. Say that 3 times fast. I got the paint brake tape on the bed here, so that's all done. Lines up pretty good. Boy, lines look pretty good here. Pretty happy with them. Got the fuel door all done. So next step, guys, is to get get these ground effects finished up, get them painted, get the tailgate done, and we got an exhaust system sitting over here too. You can see that's going to go on here too. So, but guys, I think that's going to be it for this bed installation video. We appreciate you guys sitting through this and watching these videos. I know they're not the most exciting, but you know, if you have any suggestions of what we should do, I've got some critiquing. One guy didn't like the fact that we fast forward so much. One gentleman didn't like the fact that we talk so much. So no matter what you do, someone's going to complain. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. We appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, asking questions, and commenting. We'll catch you later. Thanks.